I'm Catherine Bouchard from Centris Technologies. I'm the co-president and co-owner of the company. And we use Beckhoff technology mainly for batching process control, line and equipment control, monitoring in real time. So from the raw material management, to the batching, to the filling, to the quality check, and then the packaging line. Yeah, we use Beckhoff technology since 8 years from now, and mainly we use the IPC controller based on distributed architecture using remote I/O module and EtherCAT communication protocol. These components give us the flexibility that we need. It gives us also a secure network, and finally the performance that we need.